Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell about all about Django basics. Okay, let's begin. Okay, now we will see what is Django. Django is a web application framework written in Python programming language. It is based on MVT model view template design pattern. The Django is very demanding due to its rapid development features. It takes less time to build application after collecting client requirements. This framework uses a famous tagline, the web framework for brief with deadlines. By using Django, we can build web application in very less time. Django is designed in such a manner that it handles much of configure things automatically, so we can focus on application development only. Okay, now we will see history of Django. Django was designed and developed by Lawrence Journal World in 2003 and publicly released under BST license in July 2005. Currently, DSF Django Software Foundation maintain its development and release cycle. Popularity: Django is widely accepted and used by various well-known sites such as Instagram, Mozilla, Disqus, Pinterest, Bitbucket, and Washington Times. Okay. Now we will see features of Django. First one rapid development, second one secure, third one scalable, fourth one fully loaded, fifth one versatile, sixth one open source, seventh one vast and supported community. Now we will see one by one in detail. First one, rapid development. Django was designed with the intention to make a framework which take less time to build web application. The project implementation phase is very time taken, but Django creates it rapidly. Second one, secure. Django takes security seriously and helps developer to avoid many common security mistakes such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, cross-site request for etc. Its user authentication systems provide a secure way to manage user accounts and passwords. Third one, scalable. Django is scalable in nature and has the ability to quickly and flexibly switch from small to large scale application project. Fully loaded. Django includes various helping task modules and libraries which can be used to handle common web development tasks. Django takes care of user authentication, content administration, site maps, RSS feeds, etc. Fifth one, versatile. Django is versatile in nature, which allows it to build applications for different domains. Nowadays, companies are using Django to build various types of applications like content management system, social network site, and scientific computing platforms, etc. Sixth one, open source. Django is an open source web application framework. It is publicly available without cost. It can be downloaded with source code from the public repository. Open source reduces the total cost of the application development. Seventh one, vast and community supported community. Django is one of the most popular web framework. It has widely supported community and channel to share and connect. Prerequisites: before going to learn Django, you must know about knowledge about OOPS and Python programming languages. Okay, if you know OOPS and Python programming languages, you can easily learn about Django. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share. If you have any queries, please comment below. Thank you.